See, there's quite a gap here. There wasn't a great line there, but it's what you do when you're dealing with a plunge cutter in a not square situation. So we have our board in. I'm going to reuse these screws. They're coated exterior screws. I have some fresh ones, but reuse if you can. I'm going to go right in the center to begin with. Hopefully these bite into this. And they do. That one did. Impact gun here really drives the screws home. And with pressure treated, you want to let it dry out, the chemicals dry out in the sun for a couple months before you. And these two screws are a little rusty, so I'm gonna get fresh ones. Let the pressure treated lumber dry out. If you build a new deck, let it dry out for quite a few months to a year if possible, and then before you put any stain on it. That one split a little bit. Out towards the end, I probably should have drilled these. To prevent them from splitting, but I didn't. And I'm going to throw a couple in the other board just to see if I can suck that down a little bit. We'll just put 2 in this one. That's it. I mean, ideally you do a better cut where you can not get left with such a gap, but you know, nothing's perfect. And I've been doing handyman stuff for quite a while usually, but on my own house I kind of live with a lot of stuff. So that screw I'll screw in eventually, get this nailed back down. But quick board patch, this board needs done too eventually. I'll take my extra board and replace it too. But that's it for GoPro Handyman in this episode. Back porch board repair. Join me next time when I repair some wood around some windows, or repair a window, show you how to glaze and point and glaze a window. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Disability TV and share if you enjoy. Thank you.